Picture this. Instead of scrolling all day, you're producing something physical, packaging it, and selling it for profit, with the right machine and a clear plan. While trends come and go, these machine-based ideas focus on products people already buy again and again. The real advantage isn't hype. It's controlled production, repeat customers, and predictable returns. So let's explore the ideas. The balloon stuffing business works because personalized gifting has become a go-to choice for celebrations and promotions. Demand comes from birthdays, proposals, baby showers, brand launches, and surprise events where customers want something visually impressive. Using a balloon stuffing machine, you insert gifts, flowers, money, or custom messages inside clear balloons in minutes. Materials are low cost, production is quick, and storage needs are minimal. Sales are driven mainly through Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and local referrals because the product sells visually. Many sellers produce orders in short daily sessions, and consistent small batches can build a steady monthly income from home. The custom rug business is growing as people look for personalized home decor instead of mass-produced items. Demand comes from homeowners, cafes, studios, and offices wanting logos, names, or statement pieces. A tufting gun allows you to create rugs by punching yarn into fabric based on custom designs. Each order is made to order, reducing inventory risk. The creation process itself attracts attention on social media, making marketing easier through short videos. Selling directly to customers keeps margins healthy. Completing even one rug per day can lead to strong monthly earnings from a small home studio. The herb drying and grinding business benefits from increasing interest in natural, preservative-free food products. Demand comes from health-conscious consumers, home cooks, cafes, and small grocery stores. Using a mini drying and grinding unit, you turn fresh herbs into powders, teas, and spice blends with extended shelf life. Production can be scheduled in batches, keeping daily workload manageable. Clean branding and simple packaging allow basic herbs to sell as premium products. Sales channels include farmers markets, local stores, and online platforms. With regular repeat customers, this business can generate dependable monthly income with limited working hours. The leather embossing business thrives on customization and branding. Demand comes from gift buyers, small businesses, and events needing personalized leather items. With a compact leather embossing machine, you stamp initials, logos, or designs onto wallets, belts, journals, and keychains. The embossing process adds value without increasing material costs. Most orders are custom, allowing flexible pricing. Marketing works best through visual platforms and partnerships with local brands. Products are lightweight and easy to ship. With repeat business orders, small daily production volumes can turn into stable monthly earnings. The bath bomb manufacturing business benefits from continued interest in self-care and giftable products. Demand comes from online shoppers, boutiques, and seasonal gift buyers. A compact bath bomb press helps you produce consistent, professional-looking products quickly. Ingredients are affordable, and recipes are easy to scale. Seasonal scents and themed gift boxes increase repeat purchases throughout the year. Marketing through Instagram, Etsy, and local markets builds brand trust. Many sellers batch produce once or twice a week, and steady sales can cover equipment costs quickly while creating reliable monthly revenue from a home setup. The mini molding production business serves startups and local manufacturers that need small batch parts without factory scale investment. Demand comes from product designers, repair businesses, and niche brands. A mini molding machine allows you to create plastic or silicone components efficiently once molds are prepared. Production becomes predictable and repeatable, making planning easier. Sales focus on direct outreach and long-term client relationships rather than mass marketing. With recurring orders from just a few clients, income becomes stable. This setup works well for a compact workshop and supports consistent monthly cash flow. The ultrasonic cleaning service appeals to customers who need deep cleaning without damaging delicate items. Demand comes from jewelers, watch repair shops, clinics, and individuals with precision tools. An ultrasonic cleaner removes dirt and residue quickly using sound waves with minimal labor. Each cleaning cycle takes only minutes, allowing multiple jobs per hour. Marketing relies on local partnerships and service bundles rather than heavy advertising. Operating costs are low and space requirements are minimal. Even moderate daily service volume can translate into steady monthly income with very little overhead. The basket weaving business connects well with the rising preference for handmade, eco-friendly, and locally sourced products. Demand comes from home decor buyers, gift stores, cafes, and event stylists looking for natural aesthetics. Using simple basket weaving tools and molds, you can create storage baskets, planters, picnic baskets, and decorative pieces. Production is flexible and can be done in small daily batches. Each design variation increases perceived value without raising costs significantly. Consistent orders and repeat customers can turn this low-investment craft into a reliable monthly income. The stone cutting and polishing business serves both functional and decorative markets. Demand comes from home renovators, landscapers, interior designers, and memorial product buyers. With compact stone cutting and polishing gear, you can shape tiles, countertops, nameplates, and decor stones precisely. Raw stone material is widely available, and finished products carry strong value addition. Production is skill-based, but repeatable once patterns are established. Sales are driven through local contractors, showrooms, and direct customer orders. Even limited daily production can lead to solid monthly returns when focusing on customized or small batch orders. The decorative cookie manufacturing business benefits from celebration-driven demand throughout the year. Customers order for birthdays, weddings, holidays, and corporate gifting. A decorative cookie machine helps shape and design cookies consistently while saving time. You can offer themed designs, custom messages, and seasonal collections to increase order value. Production can be done in controlled batches to manage freshness. Marketing works best through visual content, pre-order campaigns, and local delivery partnerships. With strong presentation and repeat buyers, small daily production volumes can create a steady income stream from a home-based kitchen setup. The energy bar production business aligns with growing interest in convenient, functional nutrition. Demand comes from fitness enthusiasts, office workers, schools, and health stores. A mini energy bar press allows you to shape bars evenly and scale production without manual effort. Ingredients can be adjusted for different audiences, such as protein-rich, vegan, or kids snacks. Batch production reduces daily workload while maintaining consistency. Marketing through gyms, online subscriptions, and sample packs helps build repeat sales. With controlled costs and recurring customers, this business can generate dependable monthly revenue. The leather craft products business attracts customers who value durability and personalized goods. Demand includes wallets, belts, bags, journals, and accessories for gifting and branding. Using professional leatherworking tools, you cut, stitch, and finish products with precision. Each product can be customized, increasing perceived value. Production scales with skill rather than large machinery. Sales work well through online stores, craft markets, and brand collaborations. Repeat orders and bulk corporate requests help stabilize income. This business suits small workshops and allows controlled growth without heavy upfront investment. The artisan yogurt production business responds to increasing interest in fresh, preservative-free dairy products. Demand comes from families, cafes, bakeries, and health-focused consumers. An artisan yogurt machine ensures consistent fermentation and texture across batches. You can create flavored, Greek-style, or probiotic yogurt options. Production cycles are predictable, making planning easier. Simple branding and freshness-focused messaging build trust. With regular batch sales, this business can generate stable monthly income from a small food-grade workspace. The handmade soap manufacturing business benefits from continued demand for natural and skin-friendly products. Customers seek unique scents, herbal blends, and aesthetic designs. A soap-making machine helps streamline mixing, molding, and cutting processes. Ingredients are widely available, and recipes are easy to refine. Seasonal collections and gift packs increase average order value. Marketing through social media, online marketplaces, and local boutiques works well. Production can be done weekly in batches, making time management easier. With consistent branding and repeat customers, monthly income becomes predictable. The capsule filling business supports supplement brands, herbal sellers, and wellness practitioners. Demand comes from small companies needing short production runs without factory-scale contracts. A capsule filling machine allows fast, accurate filling of powders into capsules. Production is clean, repeatable, and scalable. Clients often place recurring orders, creating predictable revenue. Marketing focuses on direct outreach, compliance-ready processes, and reliability rather than mass advertising. Operating costs remain low once equipment is set up. Even a small client base can support steady monthly earnings. The small pet bottle manufacturing business supports beverage brands, cosmetics producers, and local refill stations. Demand comes from startups that prefer short production runs over large factory contracts. Using a compact pet bottle machine, you can produce bottles in different sizes and shapes on demand. Raw material costs stay manageable, and designs can be adjusted for branding needs. Sales focus on B2B clients, repeat contracts, and fast turnaround times. With consistent orders, this business delivers stable monthly revenue without requiring large warehouse space. The reusable zipper bag production business fits well with packaging and household storage needs. Demand includes food brands, travel stores, and eco-conscious consumers. A reusable zipper bag machine enables consistent sealing, cutting, and sizing for different applications. Marketing through wholesalers, small brands, and online bulk listings works effectively. Once production patterns are set, daily output becomes predictable. Repeat orders help recover equipment costs quickly while maintaining healthy margins. The disposable socks manufacturing business serves hospitals, spas, salons, hotels, and travel providers. Demand is driven by hygiene standards and convenience-focused services. Using a disposable socks machine, you can produce lightweight, single-use socks efficiently. Raw materials are affordable, and designs remain simple for fast output. Sales focus on bulk contracts with service providers rather than individual buyers. Local distributors and direct B2B outreach work best. Once client relationships are secured, repeat orders provide consistent income. Even moderate daily production volumes can support steady monthly earnings. The mini embroidery business benefits from personalization demand across fashion, gifts, and corporate branding. Customers request logos, names, and small designs on clothing and accessories. A mini embroidery machine allows accurate stitching on caps, t-shirts, towels, and bags. Marketing through local businesses, online stores, and custom order pages performs well. Personalized items command higher prices than plain products. With controlled production time and repeat branding clients, this business builds reliable income over time. The pet treat manufacturing business taps into consistent spending by pet owners. Demand includes training treats, dental chews, and specialty snacks. A pet treat making machine helps shape and bake treats uniformly while maintaining quality. Recipes can be adjusted for different diets, increasing product variety. Sales work well through pet stores, online subscriptions, and vet partnerships. Packaging and ingredient transparency build trust. Batch production reduces daily workload. With loyal customers and repeat orders, This business can generate dependable monthly revenue from a home-scale setup. The mini CNC milling business serves prototyping, custom parts, signage, and small mechanical components. Demand comes from startups, repair shops, and product designers needing precise fabrication. A mini CNC milling machine allows cutting and engraving metals, plastics, and wood accurately. Production focuses on custom jobs rather than mass output, increasing value per order. Marketing through local workshops, online platforms, and engineering communities works well. Even a few daily projects can cover operating costs. High precision and repeat clients make this a strong skill-based income model. The vinyl heat transfer printing business supports apparel brands, schools, teams, and promotional campaigns. Demand remains consistent for custom logos and event merchandise. A portable vinyl heat transfer press enables fast printing on t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and uniforms. Production is simple, with short turnaround times. Marketing through social media, local events, and bulk order discounts attracts repeat buyers. Design variety increases product appeal. Once setup costs are covered, each order delivers solid profit margins. Consistent local demand supports stable monthly earnings. The mini energy ball production business caters to health-focused snack buyers. Demand includes gyms, cafes, offices, and busy individuals. A mini energy ball roller helps produce uniform portions quickly, reducing manual effort. Recipes can be customized for protein, vegan, or nut-free options. Batch production simplifies scheduling and inventory control. Sales perform well through subscriptions, sampler boxes, and local partnerships. With controlled ingredient costs and recurring customers, this business supports predictable income while operating from a compact workspace. Now here's the real question. Which of these machines could you actually see yourself running from your own space? If you had to choose just one idea to start this month, which would it be? And what's stopping you right now? Capital, clarity, or confidence? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you're looking for the right machine supplier and a step-by-step guide, contact Entrepreneur Guide. Link is in the description.